I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Rogers to Virgin, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure your number is eligible for transfer. You can usually check this on the Virgin website or by contacting customer service. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information, including your Rogers account number, PIN, and any personal details associated with your account. This will be needed to verify your identity during the porting process. Step 3. Initiate the porting request. Go to a Virgin store or their website to initiate the porting request. Provide the gathered information and specify that you want to transfer your number from Rogers. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email or message. Keep an eye on this, as it will inform you when the porting is complete. It can take a few hours to a couple of days. Step 5. Test your new service. Once you receive confirmation, test your new Virgin service by making a call or sending a text. If you encounter any issues, contact Virgin support for assistance. Sometimes, you may need to restart your phone to fully activate the service. Switching your number can seem daunting, but following these steps will help you transition smoothly. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Good luck with your new service.